Hello, all my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Hezib sir, my dear students. And today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 9, measurement. What we are going to do, my dear students? Today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 9, measurement. First of all, we are going to revise the concept of the measurement. What, my dear students? First of all, we are going to revise the concept of the measurement. Okay? And then after, my dear students, we will going to do the revision of that all sums. Got my points, all my dear students? All my dear students, today we are going to learn how to convert meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, and kilogram to grams, gram to kilograms, milliliter to liter, and liter to milliliter. We are going to learn that all types of the sums. So one more thing, my dear students, take out your rough book and you have to write the all things in your rough book. Okay, and do with revision. We are going to do the revision. Okay, dear all students. So you have to write with me in your rough book. Understood, all of you? And keep it with you all stationary, my dear all students. And then after, we're going to start our session. Before starting our session, my dear students, I am as per regularly, I am going to present here today's quote. Okay, and then after, we will going to check the today's quote. What is the today's quote, my dear students? So now I am going to be present here today's quote. What is the today's quote? Anything is possible, anything is possible, anything can be. So all my dear students, what is the today's quote? Today's quote, anything is possible, anything can be. Got my points, all my dear students, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, dear. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Anything can be. Got my points, all my dear students. And then after, chapter number 9, measurement. What, my dear students? Chapter number 9, measurement. Today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 9, measurement. So got my points, all my dear students, what I am telling you? Understood all? So note down the name of the chapter. So my dear students, note down this instructions and heading in your book. Do fast. Do fast, all my dear students. And then, my dear students, we will going to do the revision of chapter number 9, measurement. Okay, I hope you all are know the concept of the measurement. The first is what? The measurement of the length. Then after, the measurement of the capacity. That type the all topic we are going to learn. So my dear students, I hope you have done these things. Okay, so for the first topic, our first topic is what? Measurement of the length. What, my dear students? Measurement of the length. So note down this name of this topic, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. The measurement of the topic. Centimeter are used to measure a shorter length. What, my dear students? Centimeter. What is the full form of a cm? Centimeter. Okay, centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. Your finger width is about 1 centimeter. So note down these things, my dear students. I am going to write that things here. Centimeters are used to measure shorter length. lengths. Got my points, all my dear students? Note down these things in your book, dear all. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear. Centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. Okay, your finger width is about 1 centimeter. Your finger width is about 1 centimeter. So note down these things, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear, what I am telling you here. You have to note down the all things in your book, dear. Got my points, all of you? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Got my points? And your finger width is about 1 centimeter. Centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. Got my points? So again I am going to repeat for you, my dear students, measurement of length. What all, dear students? Measurement of a length. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. What, my dear students? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, I hope you all are, my dear students, know very well 1 m is equal to 1 meter and 100 cm means 100 centimeter. Okay, I hope you all are know very well a shorter name and full name. Okay, again I am going to repeat for you. 1 kilogram means 1 kilogram means kilogram means km. Okay, and meter for m, centimeter for cm. Understood? As like that, my dear students, we are going to apply in the sums a shorter name. Understood? Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? All my dear students, note down this concept of the length. A measurement of the length. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer and 1000 meter. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all dear students. So note down this all things, my dear students, what I am telling you. I hope you all are understood. Again and again I am telling you, my dear students, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, your finger width is about 1 centimeter. Our finger width is about 1 centimeter, and centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. The centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. Got my points, all my dear students? Okay, so note down these all things, and this both point you have to keep it in mind. Our finger width is about to measure a shorter length. Centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. Got my points, all of you? Then after we will move on further, my dear students. The second things. Okay, this means the ruler gives exact centimeter a measurement. The line from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. That concept I hope you all know. So first of all, whenever we are going to talking about the measurement of length, the first 2 points you have to keep it in mind. Our finger width is about 1 centimeter. Centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. Got my points, all dear students? You have to keep it in mind, these both points, and again you have to revise. Okay, got my points? Then after we will move on further, my dear students, the next concept, the measurement of mass. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter is the concept of the measurement of length. Here we have done, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That topic we have done. But here the measurement of the mass. The measurement of the mass. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you? And 1 kilogram is equal to 1 kilogram is equal to, my dear students, what I am telling you. I hope you all are understood, dear. So all my dear students, the measurement of the mass 1 kilogram 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Got my points, all dear students? Okay, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Note down these things, note down this term, my dear students. Do fast. So my dear students, that is a term of the term of the measurement of a mass is what? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, and my dear students, what is the meaning of mass? Mass means a weight. What, my dear students? Mass means a weight. Okay, mass means a weight. Okay, we are going to measurement of a weight in other term. Okay, dear all students, what I am telling you, and I am writing one point, you have to keep it in mind and you have to write in your rough book. Kilograms are used to weight heavier objects and grams are used to weight lighter ones. Understood? So I am going to write that sentence. Kilograms are used to weight heavier okay, and objects and grams are used to weight lighter ones. So note down these things, dear all. Do fast. So dear, let's check the term and sentence of the measurement of weight or mass. Okay, dear? Got my points, all my dear students? So note down these things, dear. Kilograms are used to weight heavier objects and grams are used to weight lighter, means a lighter, not lighter, a lighter ones. Heavier and lighter ones, that is the both important terms. Okay, my dear students, note down this all concept of the measurement of mass or weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Kilograms are used to weight heavier objects and grams are used to weight a lighter ones. Got my points, all of you? Okay. Got my points, all of you, my dear all students? Not done these things. I'll give you time, and then after the last topic we will move on further, the measurement of the capacity. Do fast, all dear students. Got my points? Again and again I am going to repeat for you. Measurement of the mass, measurement of the weight. Got my point? Measurement of the mass and measurement of weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Kilograms are used to weight heavier objects and grams are used to weight lighter ones. Okay, my dear students? So dear students, compulsory we have to keep it in mind, a 1 kilogram, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Got my points, all dear students? And then after, the last concept of measurement of a capacity. Measurement of the capacity. Got my points, all my dear students? Note down these things, dear all students. I hope you all are understood what I am telling you. Measurement of the capacity, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. That is the concept of capacity. Got my points? That is the concept of the capacity. So all my dear students, measurement of the capacity, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay dear? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Got my points, all dear students? And then one sentence we have to write over there. only liters are used to measure a larger quantities of liquid and milliliters to measure smaller quantities. Got my points, all dear students? Note down this statement or sentence in your book, dear. Do fast. I hope you all are understood what I am telling you here. Liters are used to measure a large quantity of the liquid and milliliters to measure a smaller quantities. So you have to keep it in mind, dear. So all my dear students, keep it in mind this point. Measurement of the capacity, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Measurement of the capacity, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood. And this sentence, this statement you have to write in your rough book. Liters are used to measure a large quantities of liquid and milliliters to measure a small quantities. Okay, and what is the short form of milliliters? ml. Okay, and liter is L and ml is milliliters. So liters are used to measure a large quantities of the liquid and milliliters are used to measure a small quantities. We have to keep in mind the both things. Then after we will move on our sums. Okay, so now we are going to move on our sums. Where my dear students, I hope you have done these things, dear. So now we will going to solve the first centimeter or meter, means we have to convert to centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter. And I know what is the concept of the meter or centimeter. Got my points? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Got my points, all of you? So put a heading over there, converting meter to centimeter. Converting meters to centimeter or centimeter to meters. So note down these things, my dear students. I hope you all are understood. So first is, now we will going to solve the question number first. First is what? First A, 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter is equal to how many meter? So first is what, my dear students? First is 500 centimeter. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to do the opposite things. 500 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. Got my points, all dear students? Note down these things, dear, in your book. Do fast. 5 meter. Okay, we have to convert into the meters. 5 meters is equal to 500 centimeter. Okay, got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, note down these things, dear, in your book. Okay, and then we'll move on further, dear. And then second first B, not a second one, first B. First A we have done. 500 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. Okay, my dear students. And then second B, 1 meter. 1 meter, so how many centimeters over there? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So answer is what? 100 centimeter. Note down this answer, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear. Note down this both answer and question. And then after the second A question. Okay, what is the second question? Second A, 10 meter. 10 meter. So how many centimeter, my dear students? 1000 centimeter. Okay, 1000 centimeter. Note down these things, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. And then after we will going to solve the second B. What is the second B? 200 centimeters. So how many meters over there? There are, second question is what? 2B. So 200 centimeters, so dash a meter. So how many meters over there? 2 meters. Okay, 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Got my points? Note down the answer, my dear students. And then, my dear students, we will move on further. The third A. Then third question, third A, 9 meter. So how many centimeters over there? 900 centimeter. 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter, my dear students. So note down the answer, dear. And I hope you all are understood, and I hope you all are writing, dear. And then third B. So 7 meter is equal to how many centimeters over there? 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Got my points all, dear. Then, my dear students, fourth A, question number fourth A. What is the question number fourth A? 3 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Okay, so 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Got my points, all of you? Note down this term in your book, dear. Note down the all question and answer. I hope you all are understood, dear. And then last means a fourth B. 4 meter is equal to how many centimeters over there? 400. 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeters. Got my points, all dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. And then after the 6 meter is equal to And then here 6 meter 5a, 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. As per we know 600 centimeter 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter dear. And then here 5b, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. Got my points, all of you? Note down these all important things, my dear students, in your book. I hope you all are understood. Okay, dear all, what I am telling you, note down these all things, dear. And then after, my dear students, in next lecture we are going to solve this type of the worksheet and this type of the also. Okay, converting to the liters to milliliters, milliliters to liters, and converting grams to kilogram and kilograms to gram. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. My dear all students, you have to do the practice at your home. And today's homework is what? All this sum you have to write a one times in your rough. Understood, my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood. And thank you so much, my dear students, watching for this video. Thank you all of you all, dear. Thank you all.